To start off this project, we're gonna go ahead and measure out the sizes of the pieces that you want, and we're gonna mark them on the back of your fabric. I'm doing a few extra lines just because I want some scrap material to be able to work with so that I can practice my color schemes in case I'm not happy with what I chose. So here I'm marking every inch. I'm gonna go back across it the other way and mark every inch again. And then I'll only need 24 pieces, and this is 12 inches across, so I'll only need 2 rows. So I definitely made a few extra marks than I needed to. It doesn't have to be perfect, just cut your pieces. You can make it perfect if you want, but I don't care to make it perfect. I think it looks cuter and more homemade if it's not perfect. I just cut a few extra scrap pieces and I'm testing out my color schemes. I'm doing a light green and a dark green as the background. And then for the gnome, purple and orange, and for the fairy, yellow and blue. Unfortunately, my camera died while I was recording this, right about here. But this is what it looked like when I was done. While I was waiting for the camera to charge, I made this cute little sign. I think it pulls them all together very well, so I'm gonna call this my garden, gnome, and fairies checkerboard. It is so cute. I am very excited for this project. Hope you're following along, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.